One of the big changes we've made to the website is how lists of products within categories are displayed. Pre-update, lists were displayed in a table view format with the ability to sort the different columns in alphanumeric order. With the new layout, however, users can now filter to narrow the product list down, showing only relevant items. In this tutorial, I'm going to quickly show you a few areas where this is a really handy tool. So let's just say you're after a 12 volt 30 amp hour lead acid battery. I'm going to demonstrate this using the products by brand and in the Dry Power web page. You can see once you scroll down, the full list of products appears. It's quite a lengthy list. So down the side here, you've got your filters. Filtered by brand, by size, voltage, chemistry and capacity. So we're looking for a 12 volt 30 amp hour battery. So let's click 12 volt. We'll click 12.8 because that includes the lithium batteries. And then we'll go down to capacity. We'll find the 30 amp hour battery here. We might click one or two either side of it. You can see on the right hand side, the list is narrowed to show the relevant products. You can then click into the individual products to find what you're after. Data sheets are available and it's a nice handy tool. Another area is things like emergency lighting or PLC batteries. Go down to emergency lighting where you've got a 2-cell D-pack. Go to size, show a 2-cell D-pack, and there you go. Shows all the column, twin stick, flat packs available, and again, click into each one to see the individual items. Searching for cells, let's look for a NiCad D cell. Here we have the full list of NiCad cells, industrial cells available. Click on size, click on D cell, they're the available cells. Really, really handy. The other thing you can do, if you don't like this layout, you can always go back to the table view layout and again, sort by voltage, sort by capacity, sort by size. That's as easy as it is. And of course, if you can't find what you're after, please call us.